Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn about how to calculate percentage in your data. So stay tuned and watch till the end. I made a very simple example with student name, total marks, marks obtained. What I would like to see, I would like to see the percentage of marks by each student. So I will calculate the percentage first. I will use a division function, start with equal to marks obtained, click on this cell, divided by this cell, click on this cell, press enter. And now if I want to copy, just drag from the bottom and it will copy the formula for rest of the cells. Now it's giving me the result in decimals. I want to see the result in percentage, so I will select all these cells, and from here within the home tab there is a number section, and from here there is a percentage function. If I press PERC, you can see percentage appear. If I click enter, now it will convert into the percentages for me. Control Z to go back. Either you can change into percentages from this drop down list, or under the drop down list there is a percentage function. If I click this one, it will convert these decimals into percentages for me. So this is how you can quickly calculate the percentage within your data. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.